Today we're going to do turkey vegetable with barley soup. It's for our friend next door. Joe passed away yesterday, and real good friend of ours, and we're going to bring something over to the house. And here we go. Start off with a little olive oil. Come in a little closer if you want, so you can get a close-up loose. These peelers are real handy compared to all conventional peelers. Pretty fast with these.
What are you doing with that peeling technique?
What do you mean?
Do you just peel half and then?
Yeah, half spin it around. If you get a little close up, here's how we cut the carrots. For dice.
It's zoomed. Yeah.
Cut, leave the stem on. And cut right down from the stem. Throw the stem away. Same with the other one. Make a quick dice without cutting it into 4 pieces. A little bit of a leftover onion. We'll start with that. See, I like to grab a plate. Just bring it right onto the plate. Pass me a wooden spoon, Lucy, please. The onions, take a little bit off the end, very little. Same off the other end. Take the first layer of peel off, skin off. Got a close up of this. See, we cut 3 or 4 slices off each half. Don't go all the way through to the bottom. Then the same here. You leave it attached on this end. Just 5 or 6 slits down. Thank you, Leah.
Any tricks to stop the tears?
Breathe through your mouth.
Alright.
Yep. Or, let's say you could put a piece of bread in your mouth and it'll absorb. Or a toothpick.
Really?
Or all 3. But I think the best is to have a good ventilation. Okay, then we have leeks.
Okay.
Important to wash the leek real well. I'll show you how I like to do these. Cut the end off. Cut them in half. And all the outer leaves look good. If they look discolored or rotten, peel those outer leaves off. The ribs, try to get all the dirt out. Effective way is to dice them and soak them in cold water. That way there, all the dirt would settle to the bottom. But you can do it pretty efficiently this way. Cut them in half. I can do that. Same way with the celery.
Yep.
Cut a few slits down.
You leave the leaves on?
Yeah, leaves are where a lot of flavor comes out of leaves.
Oh, wow.
Excellent. Especially for soup.
Mm-hmm.
A lot of flavor. And the root, right before the bottom of the celery, and the top, the leaves.
Okay. How important is it to have really sharp knives?
Very important. One of these hand sharpeners,
Yep.
everybody should have one at home. Run the knife. And what I'm careful to do is, it's got metal shavings on it. When you use this, rinse it off. Okay, the mushrooms, we'll wash them off. Again.
Wow. You're really fast.
How are you doing the mounts for each?
The amounts?
Yeah.
Just have an idea how much vegetable you want in there. More, no set amount. But for the amount of soup, you want a fair amount of celery, carrots, and onions. Probably more onions.
How long will this amount last you, like, duration-wise?
As far as what?
Like,
How many portions?
yeah, and how many people and stuff?
It'll probably feed maybe 20 people.
Mm. For you, Lee.
It's great. I've already learned a couple new tricks.
Really?
Yeah.
Excellent. I know.
Cutting tricks?
Yeah.
Hmm. Have you ever heard of those before?
The carrot one looked really useful. I've never seen that one before.
How about the celery one?
Celery's good. Celery's good.
Hmm. How long have you been cooking?
Ever since I was a twinkle in my father's eye.
Wow.
Yeah.
I like to season at this point right here, the vegetables, while they're cooking, with garlic powder, granulated garlic,
Okay.
black pepper.
How much? Oh, do you just kind of guess on the
I
seasoning?
kind of season the top layer,
Mm-hmm.
however big the pot is, and then later on we'll adjust it, kosher salt. I don't like to use iodized salt.
Good.
Get it.
Wow, it's good.
Yep. Like to add the turkey in now.
Mm-hmm.
This turkey is pre-cooked.
Yep, roasted it the other day. Throw the scraps for the hound, Frank. And Fritz. What I like now, a little bit of curry powder.
Curry powder, huh?
Yeah, a little bit.
How high is the heat on that?
It's on high.
Okay.
A little bit of curry
Do you
powder.
have any liquid in there with it? Or?
Not yet.
Oh, okay.
Now I have the turkey stock from the other day. We took the carcass after we roasted the turkey.
Mm-hmm.
We'll pour that over the top. look at it here, Luce. Seems pretty thick with vegetables and meat.
Yep.
And right now we'll add in the barley.
Okay.
Cook the barley right into the, we'll just cut a corner off the barley.
Oh wow.
So that's probably half a bag.
Mhm.
How was your walk?
It was great, thanks.
How's it smelling?
Smells pretty good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What do you think, Marta?
Here, I've added a little bit of water for the, when it evaporates, we'll add a little bit extra water. So
Okay.
It's a little too thick.
Okay.
Bring it to a boil, we'll turn it down to simmer,
Yep.
cover it, let it boil till the barley's cooked. You ready to go?
Ready.
Come on, look over the top of it when I lift that lid.
Time for the unveiling.
Woo, baby. See the barley's cooked?
Yeah.
Rachel,
Yeah.
you want to be just a quick sampler, a taster?
Oh, would I
The
ever?
official?
The official.
Hold on. We get up.
This man knows his soup.
Your favorite Harley mug?
Oh, I did.
About how long did it cook for?
How long? What, 10 minutes? See what it needs, Rach.
Okay. First, I'm just trying to broil.
Marty, you want something? What?
Oh, my. It doesn't need anything.
Huh?
I don't think so.
Go ahead.
Gosh.
That's fun.
Absolutely delicious.
I wouldn't add anything, would you? You know what I throw in mine at the end? A shot of Tabasco.
You're kidding.
I do.
Really?
What does that do, Rachel?
Just adds that little kick.
You want me to put a little bit in?
See what you think? You'll know. You want to eat off my spoon?
Huh?
You eat
Sure.
off my spoon? I'm not saying it needs it. It just adds a little.
I'll put a little bit in there.
Okay.
We'll see what makes a difference.
Not saying it needs it. Just adds a little fun.
Kick it up a notch, as our friend says.
Yeah.
You getting a good shot of that, Lucy?
I
That's
am.
about it. About done.
Videographer, would you like a bite?
I'm all set, thank you.
Okay.
Marty, you want to try something?
Yeah, absolutely delicious.
All set, kids.
That's it, and Joe, may you rest in peace.
Amen.
Good friend Joe. We always remembered.